Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice movement. When you stop and think that literally at one point the price was down there, and congrats to whoever those people were that were buying down there, and all of a sudden you look at where the price is right there, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price has definitely made a very nice move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $17. Why is 17 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true strength, with genuine power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 17. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that area of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price does something like this. However, in this situation behaves like that before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, again, I'm just quantifying and defining that phrase, progress, as 17. What about areas of resistance? As far as the sellers, right now the key battleground to keep an eye on, which it's close to, is right up here around the 1805 mark. If you take a quick trip down memory lane, you can see several instances where the price was rejected there, didn't quite hit it, but within the general vicinity. And once again today, didn't quite hit it, but within the general vicinity. So right around 18 to 1805 has a near-term track record of acting as resistance. Not saying the price can't break through it, just saying that according to the story that's being told to us via the chart, apparently the bulls are really going to need to bring their A game to fight through it. So we'll see if they can do that or not. All in all, very nice movement today. Let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.